The sounds of silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. And restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the hollow of a street lamp, I turn my cooler to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stuffed by the flash of a neon light, it split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Paul said, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silence raindrops fell and echoed in the wheels of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon God they made, and the sun splashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sun said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper the sounds of silence.